Cassidy!
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, hey. Did you put this in here?
No, did you?
No, I did.
Hi, welcome to the Wolfridge Farm. We're currently in the kitchen. I'm Alexa.
I'm Cassidy. We're both staff here at the farm. We're just about to get started on our wood-fired pizzas for the week.
Which I believe is the topic for this week's Adventures in Learning episode.
Where do you think we should start?
You know, sauce looks like it could use some more tomatoes, so why don't we head on over there?
I think you're right. Let's go.
Come on in.
Say, Cassidy, have I ever told you that tomatoes are my favorite vegetable ever? And they're perfect for pizza.
I think you might have mentioned that 1 or 2 times before. Alexa, fun fact, did you know tomatoes are actually a fruit?
No, I did not know that.
Yeah, they're considered a fruit because they come from the flower of the plant and they have seeds inside them.
No way. Why do I think they're a vegetable then?
Good question. A lot of people think of them as vegetables because of the way that they're prepared and because of their nutritional content.
Interesting. All right, so now that we have our perfect tomatoes, what are we doing next?
I think we grab these and go and make our sauce.
Awesome. So here we are at the wood fire oven on the Wolfridge Organic Farm. In order to make these pizzas, we need to get this fire going in the oven at least 5 hours beforehand to make sure that it's nice and hot by the time the pizzas are ready to go in. So it's super important for the oven to be at least 650 to 700 degrees before we start baking the pizzas so that these pizzas cook nice and quick and thoroughly. Hey Cassidy, should we go assemble some pizzas?
Ooh, let's do it. Hey Alexa, guess what time it is?
Cassidy, what time is it?
Oh, it's time to start making these pizzas.
Oh yeah, it is. All right. Why do I feel like we're forgetting something here?
Yeah, I feel like that too.
Ooh. Whoa, thank you.
Thanks. Let's put these on really quick. Hey, Alexa, is this all we were missing?
You know, I don't know. To be completely honest, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed with this whole pizza making process, and I feel like we might need another set of hands.
For sure, I feel that too. Surprise for you. I actually decided to call in a pizza making expert.
Oh, no way.
I did. Everybody, I'd like you to meet Austin.
Hi all, I'm Austin the sourdough starter. I'm made of yeast, a type of fungus. Did you know yeast makes pizza crust have air bubbles in it?
Whoa, thanks for that, Austin. Do you think we could get a hand rolling out this dough?
Of course.
Sweet.
Alexa, that's looking great.
Oh, thanks, Cassidy.
Of course. While she's finishing out rolling her dough, I'm gonna start assembling another pizza. Let's add our ingredients. All right, all done with the sauce. Here at the Ridge, we like our pizzas with lots and lots of vegetables. I'm gonna start with some mozzarella cheese and then add some kale, green peppers, basil, and tomatoes. Alexa, what are you gonna put on your pizza?
You know, Cassidy, I think I'm gonna do some sauce, some cheese, some tomatoes, and some kale, maybe a little basil.
That sounds absolutely delicious.
You know me, I love tomatoes. You just about done?
I think so.
Should we go fire these pizzas?
Oh, let's do it. All right, Alexa, let's get these in the oven.
That sounds great, Cassidy, but don't we need to clean it out first?
Ooh, you're so right. Let's rake these coals back, mop the floor, and then we'll put them in.
Awesome.
Cool.
All right, so after we get this fire going, we have to push the coals to the back of the oven, and then it's these hot coals that'll actually cook the pizza, not the fire itself.
Let's get them in there.
Wow, they look so good.
Yeah, they do. Let's eat. These look delicious.
I know, right?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, Alexa,
Huh,
food for thought. Have you ever thought about a thing called mindful eating?
what is that? Isn't that just what we're doing right now?
Well, I mean, kind of. It's about learning to appreciate the flavors that come with your food and learning when your body is actually full.
Okay, so what does that mean?
Well, it's like, imagine if this was the last pizza you were ever going to eat on Earth.
Oof.
Would you just gobble it down super quick, or would you take every bite as slow as possible?
You know, I think I understand what you're saying there. I'm gonna eat this pizza as slow as possible.
Cool. Before we do that, we should teach these people at home how to make their own pizzas.
So, if making a pizza at home may seem a little intimidating, we promise you it's actually not. My personal favorite way of doing pizzas at home is doing little pita pizzas, which uses a pita pocket, some jarred pre-made pizza sauce, cheese, whatever veggies I can find at the farm, all that good stuff. It's pretty simple, but it tastes great, and you hit all of the 5 basic food groups, which is awesome.
I'd agree. I really like putting dill on mine.
Ooh.
Yeah. Let us know how your pita pizzas go at home. Share your pictures of you eating your pizza to our Facebook page. Oh, hey! You're still here! Thanks for watching this week's special episode of Adventures in Learning.
Until next time.
Oh!